Gli anni 10? Fa la S.
A severe storm and relentless heavy rainfall have triggered catastrophic flooding in Savona, western Liguria. Floodwaters have surged to extreme levels, severely affecting several towns, including Cairo Montenotte and Quiliano. Roads, highways, homes, and vehicles have all been inundated, leaving daily life in complete disarray. Cairo Montenotte, particularly in the car care area, the situation is especially alarming. Large parts of the town, including the historic center, are submerged, with widespread power outages further complicating matters. Additionally, the Vispa and Plodio canals have overflowed, intensifying waterlogging across various regions. Amid this crisis, local authorities are struggling to carry out rescue operations and are advising residents to move to safer areas wherever possible.
Era chiusa a chiave, Andre.
E come ha fatto a aprirsi?